Hi guys, welcome back to episode 8 of Dinner Party. I am Kushi.
I'm Ashna.
Have you
I
all
thought you were
forgotten your
going to say,
names?
but
I thought you were going to say same. I'm Shloka.
and I'm Isha. Woo!
I was
Today
waiting.
do
I was
it.
waiting.
Finally, I'm done with the woo intro.
No, but now I kind of miss the if Dingy
Yeah.
doesn't do
Hannah,
it.
it feels like
Even
something's
I
missing.
felt like it, but I was like,
कुछ तो missing है ना after the
conditioned you all to
Yeah.
woo. Intro again, then woo.
But we're all giving different aesthetics today,
yeah.
visually. Isha's giving Aetras.
Isha
is giving Cop Universe, Singham.
Yeah. किसी को तो
If too much you all
Yeah.
talk na.
she'll shoot you all.
Dingy's feeling desi today.
Yeah.
If I had
Kushi
something
is
to
very-
match you, I would because it's cute.
हाँ,
हाँ
she's
मतलब I
vibing
didn't know your
nowadays.
yeah even if I knew I would have worn kurti.
I told you all. No, I didn't.
No.
Abhi you said.
Abhi you told.
Abhi how we'll find
Before
kurtis.
shooting.
But
We're
Yeah,
not prepared.
So I think today we are all talking about relationships, like our relationships, our expectations. So let's begin. I'm in my 30s right now, and my relationship expectations in my 20s were quite different. And today I'm a more mature version of myself. So before I start, I want to ask y'all. Since y'all are तो still very young, so तुम्हारा पता नहीं कितने साल back I should take y'all.
Spot पे डाल दिया है अभी तो.
So what do y'all expect out of your relationships? If you all want to compare with what you all have now.
I don't
नहीं,
expect only.
more like what you not expected. Maybe when you're in your teenage years, what did you think of your dating life? Like what you expected your romantic this thing to be? Or how you felt like, oh, this is what will happen when I had a
Yeah.
boyfriend or whatever. Because when we are teenagers, we have only like movies and TV shows that we look at and then romanticize. So what were your ideas?
I think movies have only heavily influenced all our ideas because तभी तो कुछ था नहीं in reality. Movies में only we used to see, TV shows में we used to see, and that I'm a very big hopeless romantic in that sense. Like I want to watch a rom-com and read romance and stuff, but खुद के life में नहीं होता इतना. मतलब खुद के life में I'm a pessimist, but I'm a hopeless romantic for others. वैसा.
We actually got into dating also pretty late, I would say. Like me and Kushi were a little late bloomers. We got into like dating thoda later.
Not
in
like right
school,
because people
college
start in
maybe nahi.
school or
College.
college. Yeah.
School relationships I don't think we should count.
Yeah, they are not counted. Even if
Yeah.
they were very.
Yeah.
But proper serious relationships, personally, like this is my first that I am in right now. And uske pehle tak there was nothing substantial. But you, I think, asked about expectations.
Like what you grew up with.
The
what
idea.
is idea
Idea
and
versus what
Reality.
reality is.
I think personally, we all had this hopeless romanticism. We all thought that if you get into a healthy, perfect relationship, all the work stops. Like there is no more work to be put into it. एक बार कर लिया तो हो गया. But that is the biggest reality check I got, that these things are to be worked on, like how you
Constantly.
work in your career. Relationship is also that way कि perfect होके एक गाना बज गया जैसे movies में होता है and they lived happily ever after. वैसा नहीं होता. Nobody shows what
The after
happily
in the movie.
after was. Yeah, so that I think was a reality check, that you have to keep consistently working on your relationship. The work never stops. So I think that is one big reality check we got when we
In the
entered our 20s.
relationship.
What about you guys?
I think right now I am pretty sure of things I want, and that is because I dated men who I don't want. So when
I didn't see that
so
coming.
what happens is when do you come to know that what you want? Because when you see some traits in people
Yeah.
that you don't like,
Yeah.
that's what makes you sure of things that you actually want. Agar aisa if I ask you, maybe you won't be able to say ki,
Completely
I like
agree.
this.
Yeah.
But when you can't entertain certain things, then you understand that okay, this is what I can entertain.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like
So
a
for-
non-negotiable
Yeah.
for me.
So I think I dated a few people, and of course there were a lot of positives, but there were some things which were non-negotiable. So I understood in my 30s. Now I'm very sure कि ये नहीं है तो फिर
कुछ
This is
नहीं
not
होगा
going to
Hmm.
happen. So I'm more sure today of what I want and in my relationships.
Even that, you all know, Dear Zindagi mein, when you were saying this, Alia Bhatt का वो dialogue है, Shahrukh Khan tells her that कुर्सियाँ
you have to
की
sit
तरह
on
you have to
like you have
sit
to kiss many frogs
Frogs to
before
get a
you
prince.
meet your
prince.
prince.
So
Yeah.
कुर्सी try करो अलग अलग, and it's like
See
that
what's
only.
comfortable.
कि जो पहला होता है, that is not like your ये, you have to keep trying, seeing how partnership works with different
Hmm.
people. If you get lucky in your
Yeah.
first, second, then nothing like it.
Nothing
I
like
think the dialogue was like जब तुम एक कुर्सी खरीदने जाते हो तब तुम
हाँ.
कितनी कुर्सियों को
Yeah,
ट्राई
yeah,
करते
yeah,
हो
yeah.
पहले इस पे बैठ के देखा like even when we go to IKEA how many times we sit
Sofa,
on our
yeah,
sofas
Yeah, yeah,
Bed.
then
yeah.
why do you want your lover to click in one go
Go.
Hmm.
right which is very
Yeah.
like for some people it's in one go for some people
there
it's
are some matlab I've seen a lot of not India mein itna but outside like they meet in school like high school sweethearts and then they get married and all at a very young age at like 19 20
Hmm.
21 and then have children and all so I feel like unka I don't think at that age I was in that phase or
Yeah.
close to that phase also because when I was in my teenage years I was itna extreme I used to romanticize all of these
Hmm.
scenarios. Like it's not necessarily a person like in my life. If it was an actor I had a crush on, or a singer I had a crush on, or a guy like in that doesn't know me personally, but I have a crush on him. Like I will imagine all of these scenarios in my head, like how it'll
Hmm.
be if we go out on a date and if we hold hands and if we, how will all of those things go? Like I've gone through a lot of my single time just
Daydreaming.
fantasizing daydreaming and ऐसे ही मेरा time कट गया है without knowing like she said like I never thought of the uh, like fights या disagreements
Yeah.
कैसे होंगे like all of those things I only thought about the happy parts and just imagining like oh I will date this guy then कैसा होगा if I be with this one then कैसा होगा so my before I got into a relationship my whole time was just this like based on movies like Kissing Booth and all like how we've seen
हाँ.
now Kissing Booth and what was that To All the Boys I've
I've
Loved
loved
Before
before.
like वैसा type का in my
Hmm.
teenage years
Yeah.
All this romanticizing thing तो अभी भी I do.
yeah
But
same
मजा आता है. But personally for me when I was younger, I think I hate to say that I wouldn't relate to others in the sense that I've always grown up around relationships that were unhappy in a way or
Yeah.
maybe didn't work out, like be it our parents or be it even y'all. Sometimes if you were in a relationship
Hmm.
at that point when I was a kid and it didn't end up working out, that thought got put in my head from a very very small age that it's not working out, like all these people are
Yeah.
unhappy and in the end it's not working out anyways. So then what's the point of doing all of this and giving it your all when it's not going to work out in the end. So I think it morphed my view on love and relationships a lot from that time only ki maybe I don't want to get into this only. Like I'm
Yeah.
happy
Hmm.
seeing it from afar for other people and imagining it for myself, but in reality it didn't like click for me.
I think
It's
same.
sad.
Even I got this pessimistic view observing everything.
Yeah.
Me and Kushi used to discuss रात को सोने के पहले ये सारी चीजें. That we feel like love is एक time था we both were single, lying down together, talking about these things. But later, like my currently, of course, touch wood, if my relationship is going the way I want it to go, I've become a little optimistic towards
Hmm.
it. So I feel like a relationship also, like if it works out, doesn't work out, it's like a very close mirror to myself.
Hmm.
Like I am getting to know things about myself. I was telling this to Isha also. It's very scary that it like puts a mirror in front of you and you realize so many things about your childhood, about yourself, about your expectations when you are doing partnership with somebody else. So in that way I feel like if this works out, doesn't work out, it's still teaching me to share my space, to share things I have. So that was one optimistic view I got here. But what you're saying, I think we were in that boat for a very long time. And we were
Yeah.
like, what's the point of this if it's not going to work out?
Work out. Yeah.
I feel like I was in the same this thing specifically when it comes to getting married because growing up I never thought I will get married. I mean, when I thought of having relationships and dating somebody, I was like, I want to date. I've always dated also somebody with the intention of like a long term
Yeah.
relationship. and I've thought like, okay, yeah, we'll get not get married, but we'll have a family together and we'll have like children together. But that marriage wala chunk, I was like, only that part I might not
हाँ.
do. I was
Yeah.
like, everything else I can figure, and then I don't want that pressure of, being married and then it not working out, and then the
Yeah.
after effects of that, because we've dealt with the after effects of that. So I
Yeah.
felt like I want to skip all of that, and I still pursued my dating life and my relationships with people in that lens only, that I want a long term commitment and I want to be with this person, but I don't think of getting married. Like, I'll think of all the other things, but not this. So in
Yeah.
that sense, I relate like
Yeah.
only the marriage part,
But
because I didn't have any good examples
I
to
think
Look
all of
up
us
to.
associated getting married to all the bad parts of life that we've seen. We stopped
Yeah.
seeing
Maybe
the
just
good
looking at
parts
good
that.
because
parts.
at that
Yeah.
point maybe it wasn't there only for us. There was no good example. There was no, this to look up to. So we
Yeah.
all associated that word with unhappiness, fights, toxicity, and everything.
Coming to happy parts, nobody we all know that we used to grow up seeing that relationships are like fairy tales and it's so nice and it's so cute, happy family and everything. But nobody tells us that relationships mein kitna work jata hai.
Yeah.
There's so much, it's
Yeah.
hard work. It's just not like you can like sit and say I'm in a relationship with her and she and me are just going to be like this only forever. Like there will be a time where the honeymoon phase will fade out. Then there will be a time when the reality will click in, when we'll start having small fights, or even on days where you don't feel like going on a date, you have to plan
Make
it
the
out
effort.
to make an effort to keep that relationship alive. Maybe the guy is chill and the girl is more into all this, so maybe the guy might have to do it for the partner, and the girl also might have to like like mellow down for the partner a little. So I think it's a
Yeah.
combined effort. Like ये सब तो देखा ही नहीं था कभी कि we just knew that शादी कर लो, एक husband होता है जो हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ
साथ
रहता है,
होता
but to
है.
for that happily ever after, there's so much that goes in.
Yeah.
I think the movie wala part was extremely romantic, and the home reality wala part was extremely
Yes.
contrasty to that. Like, it was very out of responsibility, tolerance, and
Yeah.
all of that, like for the sake of the children and vaisa sab. So that's why I escaped to movies, and I'm like, this seems
ये better है.
yeah. I think my imagination is better than
Than real life.
what's
Right,
happening
real
here.
life.
And I should skip the marriage part and just have children and all of that. So I was like, for the longest time, I thought that's what I'm going to do. And I felt like in the future, if I change my mind, then theek hai, future ka I'll see future mein. But that was
Yeah.
what my early 20s were about.
I think a lot of love is also, like all of you all are saying, it is conditioning. It is making an active choice to love someone, to respect
Yeah.
someone every day. Because I don't think love is
I
something,
agree.
just a feeling which can make a relationship run. Like a lot
Hmm.
of people talk about it, just love is not enough. You need to respect, you need to have other things. But you also need to make the choice to love the person every day, even when it is not possible. Like you have to just make that choice. On some days you will not like your partner. Sometimes it happens, like
Yeah.
both of them feel that way, that kya ho raha hai. But you have to just consistently show up and be there, and I think that is what love is, unless it gets like really
Yeah.
toxic for you. Like you have to draw a boundary there. But
Yeah, another thing is thinking that it's always going to be 50-50 on both sides. It's not going to be 50-50 every day. Some days some days you're at 20 and the other person is, trying to give
Yeah.
it their all. And, or some days they'll be the ones that are not there at all. They're at 10% and you have to give the
Yeah.
rest of, like,
Yeah.
your this to the relationship to make it work. If you don't do that,
I think that is why I said, consideration is a huge love language. Like
Yeah.
considering each other's moods, or at that time what he or she is feeling. Like I feel that some women also have to tell their partners to get flowers for them. Like sometimes, it's like I know she likes flowers, so maybe like just get
Just
it for her.
consideration.
Yeah, yeah.
it's knowing each other's love languages
Yeah.
and doing it.
And
Like
meeting midway
consciously.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is very important. When you
Yeah.
know what someone wants and you don't do it, then it's
Yes.
We
I
were
think women ka
so
love
many
language
fights
is like
on this.
not having to ask.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
just not having to ask is what a
Yeah.
woman would want always. Like,
Yeah.
and that also takes time. I'm sure men are not like superhumans to understand. Arey, isko ye chahiye hoga, ye chahiye hoga. You have to communicate. Like after communication, then he will comprehend that, and then things like
act
that.
on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even in Dear Zindagi, when y'all were talking about it, tabhi yaad aaya tha, then I forgot about it. There was one more dialogue which said that you can't expect one person to be your everything,
Yeah.
your
Hmm.
friend, your boyfriend, your father, your when you add so much pressure to one person, na, they are bound to fail because
Hmm.
they are not going to fulfill all
All the
roles in your
roles.
life. So just fulfilling other aspects, like keeping a balance. If you make that one person the center of your universe and you expect that one person to be everything,
Hmm.
you are to get disappointed. So you have to like
That's
keep
why it's
your friends,
important.
yeah, just to keep a balance. Add.
To have a social life, to have like friends that you'd go to for things that you wouldn't maybe go to your boyfriend for, like your
Exactly.
girlfriends or whatever. That's
Yeah.
very important to have.
Yeah.
So that you can maybe discuss your problems udhar ke idhar also.
that
Matlab, you can't
You
discuss your
shouldn't.
problems
that
also then with your boyfriend only.
that is a very big this
For
na, in
advice,
relationships, a
not
fight.
for
Yeah.
yeah.
We all have been there, that we share something with our girlfriends and then there is a huge fight that happens, that this is supposed to be between two people. And I understand why sometimes that creates a bigger issue because nobody is in the relationship with you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Sometimes it is absolutely necessary because your friends will tell you that your relationship is toxic and you need to
Yeah.
so sometimes it is necessary to talk. When you feel your relationship is going well, small issues if you discuss na, they become bigger than what they actually are if you discuss with your friends, and they will give you opinions which are not helping your relationship. So that has happened with me personally. So I like to avoid unless I feel like this is something really necessary which has to be communicated.
Hmm.
Don't you all think that the dating pool when you grow up becomes smaller than in your teens and your 20s? Like, I feel it has,
Very, very, very small.
like,
Yeah.
kahan dhoonde?
Yeah. I'm anyway very introverted, and
Yeah.
in my
Ah.
house and my world starts and ends only over here. So I don't know the possibility.
That's what that makes
Meeting-
it more difficult
Meeting
also.
Find
people
someone.
outside.
Yeah.
I think for introverts it's a little harder because you have to make extra
Extra
effort
effort.
if you're
Yeah.
if you want to date, and you have to find somebody. I remember earlier when I was single, I was like, I'm not going to get somebody if I just sit at home and wait. I'm like, kabhi na kabhi jab
Yeah.
God wants me to date, I'll
Yeah.
date. Somebody will
Yeah.
come ghar pe. I'm like, nobody's going to come home. I
Yeah.
have to go
Yeah.
and even put myself in situations where I'll be like,
Socially
yeah,
there.
socially available, or open for people to pursue or
Approach
me
you.
to
You have to
approach,
be
like either
approachable
way.
more.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in my house, like nobody's going to know ये कोई लड़की बैठी है अपने घर में.
Like, आशना यहाँ पे रहती है.
YouTube videos देख रही है वो, and she'll be there. At 40 we will meet.
But one
Because-
question I have for y'all, when y'all were when you were single,
Yeah.
that time, now that you are in a committed, happy relationship, touch wood. But when you were single, that time, didn't you meet somebody online through vlogs and all because you're such a social media big
No.
personality? No
I'm the
comments
most-
or
I'm the
approach.
most closed off
Yeah.
person. Like if somebody, I don't think anybody's approached me
I think
online.
the following is also more of girls.
Yeah.
I think.
Mm.
Yeah.
For you also, nobody online
No.
ever because you are also so consistently
There
there.
were some Mahesh and Rajesh and all that in my DMs, but
No one serious.
yeah. But I think for an introvert, even if when they are in their teens or 20s, you still go to college, you still have your tuitions, you still
Yeah.
have once in a while you go out with your friends, so you meet. But for an introvert or extrovert in their late 20s and
Yeah.
30s, you don't want to date your co-workers, you don't want to date that guy on the bar. You don't want to date anybody randomly, and dating apps can be scary at times. People have found their
Yeah.
partners, but it can be scary. So, फिर what should a person do?
It's not even late 20s. It's now also. Once
You're
you get
not
out of college and you
college.
get out of all these
Hmm.
places where there is no social environment only, where are you talking to new people apart
Yeah.
from work? And work is also, most of the times in your cases, it's at home and it's alone. It's not like
Yeah.
y'all are working in an office or anything like that. So where do you meet new people? You have to
Yeah.
join some dance class or something, I think.
I met in theater when I joined theater. If I was not doing theater, I
Yeah.
would not meet
Yeah. Imagine.
plays, and also I met my boyfriend.
The theater that I pushed.
Genetics credit, huh?
Yeah, just mention that.
We were talking about butterfly effect the other day, that how one thing leads to the other, and if one thing is also out of that chain,
Yeah.
the thing doesn't happen. So I was writing something about butterfly effect. So Isha is like, if I didn't send you to theater, then you would never find your
Mm,
boyfriend. The chain starts from me.
me.
Yeah.
True.
But this is all expectation wala part. Now let's
Yeah.
come to reality.
Yeah.
Let's start with Isha, because you guys are still like abhi in your early 20s.
Yeah.
For us,
Yeah.
it's been a while.
I think
So,
Isha is the most
what
experienced.
y'all want me to say?
The
Reality.
reality.
She's getting scared, huh?
What
She's
y'all
like, what y'all want me to say?
No, like now these were all our expectations.
Huh.
Okay, when we were in our early 20s, like I used to romanticize, we used to watch movies and whatever. These were our expectations. What was the reality of your dating life? Like, because for us, we didn't have dating apps when we were
Yeah.
just getting in college and all of that. And in school also, we were just starting to get cell phones. Tabhi, like our
Yeah.
parents
Huh.
was still starting to like allow us to get, and you got, I think, after college. No, in college, hai na?
We can have an episode on that.
Haan. But anyway, I mean, we didn't have dating apps
Yeah.
and all. So, what was your reality? And like, we can talk about what our dating culture was when
Haan.
we were in our early 20s.
I think for me, I made my boyfriend only my best friend. So roaming with him every day. I think even Honey used to
Yeah.
accompany us, and we
Official
used,
third wheel she was.
yeah. So
Nandu
I
dosa
yeah.
at 8 a.m. They were going.
Tumbara.
Yeah, they were bunking college lectures, and I was just hanging out because I was here
Yes.
on vacation.
Yeah. So I think my culture, dating culture has always been this, that the person who I date becomes my friend, and I'd make him introduced to all my friends, and then we all hang
Yeah.
out together. In college, what would you do? Like everybody ke plus ones aate the, and everybody used to go and chill together. One thing that I think for me, the reality, what I understood is, in those days, I didn't want my space. And but now I understand that having your own space and giving space is so important. Like in college mein kya hota hai, if you're dating your classmate only, you are meeting every day, so you don't have to plan a date. After school, college, you will
Y'all
either
just hang
Haan.
out
hang
and
out, yeah.
Just
figure.
happens.
Yeah, but the reality right now at this age for me will be that you have to plan so much to meet for 1 hour, because abhi you are busy, your partner is busy, kaise karke you will make a plan. You have to also manage traffic timings, because
Bombay
हाँ,
reality.
बांद्रा में मिलना है तो फिर 1 घंटे पहले निकल.
I know so
Traffic
many
timings.
people like in Bombay also. If you're in one end of the town and the other, it is considered long
Long
distance.
distance.
It is long distance
For
now.
sure.
बेचारे जो सच्ची में कर रहे हैं
Like मैं
उनके
दुबई पहुंच जाता, तेरे वहां आने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता.
Dude,
Like sometimes
Imagine
we
like
drop
Kandivali to
plans.
town.
Oh
How
my
do you even
God.
meet?
Yeah.
It's
You send pigeons. Write a letter
Yeah.
and
So yeah,
imagine.
this is one thing. ये time
Yeah.
manage करना पड़ता है, क्या क्या नहीं करना पड़ता. तो this is like the harsh reality that it's not so cool कि मिल गए, time spend कर लिया. उसके
Yeah.
पहले preparation होता है. So one thing is that, and also I think in fights, big reality check happens, because there are some people who want to be left alone after in fights, and there are
Yeah.
some people who want to be consistently,
Pick the fight
yes,
again and again.
yes, again. So usme bhi there are two different types of people. That one is with anxious attachment and one is
I
with
think we're
avoidant
sitting
attachment.
also like that.
Like that only. Anxious.
Anxious, team anxious, and
Avoidant.
team
Avoidant.
avoidant.
Yeah. So nobody tells you this ki two people are loving each other, but dono ke backgrounds are so different that in fights they show different sides of each other. So you have to come midway and reach. Otherwise, one person wants to talk in the fight, another person doesn't want to
Doesn't
talk.
want to talk.
तो कैसे उसको हम हैंडल करें. तो all these things are reality checks for me. Like it's just not marrying someone or being with someone, it is being with his entire childhood, his culture, everything.
Yeah.
The constant push and pull when you all avoidants only date anxious. ऐसा ही होता है. I've barely seen two avoidants or two anxious together. Most of the times
Yeah.
it's one is avoidant, one is anxious. And this push and pull keeps happening. कि fights के बाद anxious always wants to resolve and then sleep. Avoidant wants the night to think about it and then wake up and then, process it. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
You should just meet midway. What I have heard about avoidance is that they do take time to process, but sometimes they process and they also come and say sorry to you. It's not always that they are
Yeah.
taking time because they thought
They-
that the other person is wrong. It's because they want to come back and say, yes, even I made a
They're
mistake.
just two
So
different
you should
ways
just
of
give
dealing
them
with it.
that
it,
space.
yeah.
There is no right or wrong there. It's just two different people dealing with their own
तो ये
ways of
सब
dealing.
उन दिनों में नहीं पता था कॉलेज
हाँ.
डेज में. So like you
Anxious
didn't,
avoidant
yeah,
words
like
नहीं
you
पता
didn't
था.
call me, You don't love me. Abhi, you didn't call me. I know you're taking your time.
Time.
Whenever you feel better, come back. We'll sort it out. I think that
I
is
think
the
avoidance
major.
come off as rude a lot of the times because
Arrogant.
of
Yeah,
arrogant or
arrogant.
rude because of the way that they deal with things and because they want their space and they don't want to indulge in the conversation right now. Maybe it feels like, oh, you're not telling me that you
Hmm.
love me and that you're not texting me that 500 times a day, so maybe you don't. And maybe you're being rude in an argument when you're not. When you're
Yeah.
just being honest and it comes off as rude because you're being so, forthright with whatever you have to say. When anxious people are very anxious.
Anxious. Vicky Kaushal का एक interview था and they asked him about him and Katrina when they fight, what are your approaches? So he didn't use anxious and avoidant, but he said that I am somebody who needs my space and she's somebody who wants to speak and clear it at that
Discuss
time
it.
and then go to bed.
Hmm.
So then the guy asked him that then कौन जीतता है फिर? तो he's like जीत के क्या करना है यार, मुझे जीतना नहीं है, we have to find a middle ground.
Ground.
इसमें जीत से क्या हो जाएगा, मैं जीता तू हारी, it's nothing like that. It's always finding a middle ground कि how do we sort this out.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
think he said one more thing he said was one person comes from logic and one
Person
person
comes
comes
from
from
emotion,
emotion, and you
yes.
have to at that moment understand the person that's coming from emotion and then figure what is
हाँ.
bothering
And he
them.
also said that
Yeah.
you should give more weightage to the emotional person. ऐसा भी कुछ बोला क्या?
I don't know.
I don't remember.
I
Something.
don't.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't know.
But should we give
Should
the
cater to the emotional person. ऐसा
Person.
उसने
हाँ,
बोला
that's
था.
what वो
हाँ.
situation
I
he
think you
हाँ.
should
said.
find a balance
Balance,
between logic.
yeah.
That is like personally which has worked for me is
Yeah,
just
there is
Yeah.
no man and woman here. It's two people who are different attachment styles. Just find a middle ground. So
Hmm.
all this nobody tells you in your teenage years कि ये सब भी होने वाला
वाला
है.
है. Most of the times, guys, I think, come more from a logical end, and girls come from a more emotional. In a lot of situations, this does happen. That guys always show you the logical, they always give you the logical answers to your problems. And with girls, it is a lot of times that,
They want
speak
a shoulder
from.
to cry on.
I think I'm ulta.
I think
They,
I am also ulta.
yeah, because you all are heavy avoidants.
I am your ulta.
Yeah, because
Same ulta. This couch
because
is.
I've seen a lot of times like the similarities in Honey and Me are that only that we come across as rude because we're saying like the very logical answer
Yeah.
and not the, oh, you're emotional right now, maybe let me just
Pamper you.
yeah, it's
Hmm.
very like on your face the truth वैसा.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And I'm known to be थोड़ा extra honest and very straightforward.
Bichara.
Sometimes I have to think like if I'm, and that's only when I'm like too comfortable. That's only
Yeah.
with you guys and like everybody at home knows
Around
that I
you.
am very
Yeah.
honest and my face will straight away show like what emotions it is because I know that these people are not going to take offense of
Yeah.
my straightforwardness.
Of course.
So I don't have to like put an extra niceness
Mask on your yes.
sugary coat on it.
Huh, you only filter out in front of people you know are not going to take it.
Hmm.
Yeah.
If you know people are going to take it, तो क्या फायदा घर पे ही you can't be unfiltered, then where else would you also
Hmm.
be?
And
Yeah,
I think
so
we have also understood each other's love languages or each other's like what the other person needs
Yeah.
because it's the most comfortable environment to be in. Because even if I need space sometimes from everyone also, I will be alone in my room for hours. But then
Yeah.
when I want to talk, I can come to like anyone's room and we then are sitting there for like the next 5 hours and just talking.
Yeah.
So it's having it platonically
Accessible.
also either with
Yeah.
siblings or with friends is another
Yeah.
ballpark.
Blessing.
I think giving space is very important, even for an anxious or a avoidant. I feel when you give space, the person really goes back to his own shell and then returns back even better.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I've understood it with time. मुझे लगता था, and also one more thing that I have noticed is never talk when you're angry or never
वो
react
तो-
when you're angry because you can just like चीर फाड़ो तो आगे सामने वाला इंसान
Yeah.
person's confidence at that time because like words once spoken can't be taken back. I think
And that I
very
think that's
important.
my reason of not reacting very quickly because I am like I can be very mean when I'm
Hmm.
hurt. If
Angry.
I'm upset, if somebody has hurt my feelings, I can lash out and like say really mean things to them and maybe it can, cause a rift in the relationship only.
Yeah.
So that's why I am avoidant one. And the second reason being that I know how my words can affect someone. So I take my time to let myself also cool down. Then that gives me time to process why I am hurt, what they said what exactly they said hurt me and how it made me feel, why I'm hurt because of the statement that they made, and then I can reach to that person and tell, this is what you said and this is what it made me feel, and I don't appreciate it, or you can deal with me in this way next time when something like this happens. And it just gives me a gap to like approach the whole situation very calmly, like very differently.
Different
Yeah.
lens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, on the other hand, I can be very like yelling this, that, and that was my early 20s. I was a crazy person.
Same.
Like in my dating life, I was psychotic. And I've seen, like, it's not me. I'm not saying that I am a psycho as a person. I'm saying the person that you date has a lot to
Yeah.
do with that, because I was a very calm person in one relationship and very loving and like in a very happy bubble and all of that. And then the next person has made me lose my shit. Like, I've been very insecure, like I can't trust this person at all. And like, I think every girl has a jasoos or detective like in her. It's an
Yeah.
It
inbuilt,
comes out.
yeah, it's
Hmm.
a chip that's not always
Yeah.
active. Like, it's just certain people that'll bring it out, and you can
Mhm.
then you have some secret superpower
Yeah.
to remove information from everywhere, to stalk everybody, and to catch like small things, like isne ye post abhi kiya hai, and this is this and this is that.
Yeah.
Like, you can analyze just things, and
Mm.
that's certain people that like bring it out of you. So
Yeah.
I was in relationships where I was fully psychotic, and those people really like triggered a very deep level of insecurity in the sense, like, ruined the trust factor only for me. So
Mm.
that kind of then affects other people also that you date after that.
That, yeah.
And then
Hmm.
it'll like make you question every little thing. But that's what I'm saying, the person that you're dating can really change that. How they also react, how your fights are, it's always two ways, it's never one way. And Taylor Swift has a song for this called Mad Woman, and I really relate to that song also, because it's like, you keep calling a person mad. You're
Hmm.
making them mad is one thing,
Thing.
but you're not accounting that you are
Yourself.
making them mad. You're only going to call them mad, make them even more mad,
Mad.
and then just say this person is psychotic. They are crazy. Like, I can't deal with this person. But they're never going to acknowledge that they or their actions or their words were
Hmm.
the responsible
For it.
thing in the first place.
Mm.
So that my whole like early 20s was that. I think before I turned 20 only, that I was in a very like extremely mature, happy relationship, and I was like, if this is what dating is and how relationships are, I am sorted. Like, I was like, how are people's relationships not working out? Then if
Hmm.
it's so sorted and so like
Chill.
lovey and everything is perfect. But after those relationships, my early 20s mein what I've experienced was so toxic and so crazy. I have unlocked some real
Yeah.
spy
Spy potential.
potential.
And no girl wants to do
Do
this.
that.
Like,
Yeah.
disclaimer, no girl wants to do
It's like
this.
you're
nobody
driven
wants
to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your partner makes you do it. No girl wants to keep finding उसका partner कहाँ गया था, कितने बजे किधर था. Nobody wants to do it.
And that really took a toll on me. Like, I was always up at crazy hours thinking where this person is, why they've not messaged me, or they've reached home or no, or who are they out with at this point. And I'm finding things like small clues. Oh, they were here. Like, ये valid ticket मुझे मिला है. ये कौन से club का है? Like, you were out with somebody else. You're lying to me. And तभी I was like losing weight, getting full hormonal acne on my
Yeah.
face. Like, I was really going through it, and I think that kind of took me a while also to get normal in a relationship. Like,
Yeah.
because those patterns are still in your
Still
head,
in
and you
your
feel
head.
like every person you date is
Going
going
to
to
do,
be
yeah.
like that. So my early 20 reality
Yeah.
was
It's
not
I want to
kissing
clap
booth.
for your answer. Seriously,
It's not
you
like
Yeah.
kissing booth.
Yeah.
you spoke. I think you covered everything which had to be covered. I
Covered,
really want
yeah.
to clap for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we were seeing this while growing up,
Up.
so it
Yeah.
became our reality also. Ki
Yeah.
like, okay, maybe
Yeah.
it is like this then. So
And
we don't
it's
wanna
Yeah. We don't
step
want to.
foot into this.
Exactly.
yeah, it's very rightly said that a woman is a reflection of her man's love.
Mm.
Like, and it's the opposite, it's the other way around also. Even for a man it goes the same way.
Yeah.
Like, you love your woman, right? You will see the most feminine side of her. Like, she will be able to understand every problem that you do, but you're putting her through like hell, and then you expect her to understand also other things, which is like very wrong.
Yeah.
Like, you love her correctly, you love her the way she wants, and she will also do the same for you. It goes both the ways, and you will see her becoming the most understanding girl and the most understanding man also. I think it's very rightly said. Like you are in a happy relationship today. We can see it on your
Your
face
face.
every single day. Touch wood.
touch wood
Yeah.
यार नजर
And
मत
it's for
लगाओ.
every girl on earth. Like, you treat your woman correctly, you love her right, you do everything possible, and she also does the same for you, and you see your relationship like blooms. And it's
Yeah.
always you two against the world, and it's never you against each
Hmm.
other.
Each
Even in
other.
fights, you should always remember that. And only mature men understand this. Some people want to like no make their egos win in the relationship. All that I don't know how to make peace with such men, but
Yeah.
it's always like y'all both against others.
हाँ
Yeah.
मतलब again like you had said in the start also, because when you date only you'll come to know what you like and what you don't like different people, you'll experience different things, different qualities, how you are in certain relationships, and you'll come to know what you like. And I feel those relationships only formed what I want in a partner
Partner.
or in a relationship for my future, like for my late 20s.
Yeah.
And I think I've exactly, not exactly, but like I've
Gotten
gotten
what you
that.
want.
That what I hoped and waited for, it somehow
Yeah.
just
Made.
taken shape.
Yeah.
And there are still situations where uh if I feel like something's not right, I don't always now I have the sensibility, I feel like, since I've grown up over the years also, I have this to kind of look at my own self also and realize that maybe certain types of my behavior can affect my relationship or affect the person that I'm with or the people around me. And now in therapy I take like effort to kind of figure those things out also, because I know that it impacts people that are around me,
Yeah.
and I kind of want that pattern to stop. So those things also, some things you have to kind of not just blame your partner or blame your relationship, but figure out if you are also contributing to that in
Contributing.
some way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody needs work. No two
Huh.
people are going to ever reach there when they stop needing work.
It's
We need to just,
self-reflection.
keep figuring it out with each other,
Hmm.
that this is what is affecting me, this is what is affecting me. दोनों बात करो
Yeah.
and then go ahead with it.
Yeah, because quickly coming back to what you said about talking in anger and how gusse mein sometimes you'll say anything. With me, it's very, I talk less, but when I talk, I mean it. So when I'm telling you something, I have thought about it in my head 100 times, and I've made my sentence in a way that I know it won't hurt you, but I will always be honest. So when I'm talking, I really mean it. So I expect
Yeah.
the same courtesy back also. Like, I don't want you to then say whatever in anger or anything about it. If even if
Yeah,
it's not
yeah.
true, you say something and then you say ki, oh, but I didn't mean it. I just said it. Tabhi I
Yeah.
don't know why I said it. Because if I can do the thinking and I have the like brain capacity to do it, then you can do it too. It's not
Yeah.
Yeah.
like you can afford me
Very
the
true.
same.
Do
Yeah.
this.
That can be for an anxious person also, or an avoidant person. Like either
Yeah.
way, an anxious person can lash out because of their feelings and how like caught
Yeah.
up they are in that moment. They can lash out and say something. And I am generally like very
I think I struggle with
blunt.
this.
Yeah.
What you were saying, na, that you have that time space, that you give yourself that time when you get back. I struggle with this because I am that lashing out person.
Yeah.
Like if something, I'm too impulsive with my emotions, especially with your partner. You're that when you're that comfortable, you say everything. But sometimes saying everything at that moment is not the right thing to do. This is what I have learned like till now.
Yeah.
Of course, I will get better, but like when you say everything at that moment, now you're not helping anything.
Yeah.
When you, because you also don't know, I think y'all covered it, you don't know what you're feeling at that moment.
Yeah.
You only realize when you have that space to process, and you don't have to like solve it at that moment. You just have to remind each other that we are here, this is not the end. Like this is what I want to be reminded because I'm anxious, but
Yeah.
we can solve it later. So you have to respect that
That.
as well. When we are both in the perfect headspace, फिर बात करेंगे इसके बारे में, उसके पहले नहीं.
Also validating your partner's concern. For example, like she said that she thinks 10 things 100 times in her head. Then, and on the 101th time, she will tell. Okay.
Yeah.
Same for me. I'll think 10 times and I'll feel like bolu nahi bolu. And I let go of a lot of things also. I'm like, is pe issue nahi banate, let it. Then again, I'm like, nahi, is pe bhi nahi banate. But one thing that has really hurt me, I will tell.
Yeah.
So when I tell that, and that also you don't accept or validate, that is when like tears will start pouring out of my eyes like this, because I'm like,
Yeah.
out of the 10 things I let go, this is the 11th thing I told you, and now you're not even validating that. So
Yeah.
that's when I am very hurt.
Mm.
So I think, but you have to also tell your partner this, that I let go of so many things. So when I come and tell you something, that means I've really thought about it in my head. And don't like, if some people can tell you like it's not a big deal, why are you making an issue out of it?
Some people भी तब बोलना चाहिए था ना फिर अब क्यों
And
बोल
the
रहे हो
worst thing.
अब हम क्या नोट्स बना के रखें
हाँ.
all this also
Like you should not remove पुराने चीजें, okay?
इनसे needs खत्म ही नहीं होते.
Yeah.
I was like, now I'm going to write down everything minute by minute. 11th October, 12 p.m. This
हाँ,
happened. You have to
हाँ.
I
write
felt
down.
this at that moment.
So I think
But this
validation.
also, I feel like personally, I'm a very tolerant. Is that a word?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Tolerant person.
Tolerant.
Mm.
And I'm like that in like all aspects. And then I will like burst once full para ho gaya upar mera uske baad. But I have learned in relationships that you shouldn't let it pile on,
Yeah.
because then you tend to have
Burst.
a lot of
Bigger on a
and,
small topic.
and when you burst, that person doesn't understand, because they're like, the other 50 times that it's happened, their reactions have been very normal.
Yeah.
Why are they
Yeah.
bursting out now?
Now.
So I feel like it's
It's
important
misleading to
to,
them.
even if you feel like it's not a big deal and it's a very small thing, but if it's bothering you, it's great to like get it out
Yeah.
there and bring it to the person's notice, so that they be like, acha theek hai, I didn't think of this,
Think
but
of
if
it.
it's affecting somebody, then I'll take
Yeah.
care of my
I
actions.
did, yeah.
Understand next time, say be cautious वैसा.
Yeah.
I
So
did
feel like you
learn
should.
about this a little, and I was that time, even इसमें भी यही लिखा था, that you should address the person. If the person makes an issue out of you addressing it also, then the
Hmm.
person is not meant for you.
Yeah,
only.
because this has happened. Like
हाँ.
earlier, I used to tolerate so much and then be like, you know what, this has happened many, many times, but I didn't tell you, but it's bothering me. And तो this only response I've gotten. तो
Yeah.
तब बोलना चाहिए था ना जब हुआ था. अभी क्या? अभी तो you're saying मतलब कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. I like all this. I was like, now I'm bringing it up also.
हाँ.
So the person is not acknowledging it and just disregarding it. कि अभी क्या?
कैसे करें?
Forget it.
I wonder how long distance do it, यार. Like
I have been my early 20s romanticism में
She's hard.
I have thought long distance work हो
distance
जाएगा.
is nothing for us.
कुछ नहीं होगा. लव आजकल देखा है मैंने, सब चल जाएगा. Don't worry about it. क्या करना है हमको? गाड़ी में बैठ के ये दूरियां गाना है. I will do it. गाड़ी से बाहर देख के हम लोग ड्राइव पे जा रहे हैं. I can sing the song and it'll be fine. And when we meet, it'll be like nothing has ever changed and all.
Oh God.
But reality when it happened, oh my God, my trust issues were on a different level. And I was so this thing that the person is like not, like I'm not in loop of what's happening. And then you get a little, I was anxious in that relationship.
Mm.
Otherwise, I'm an avoidant person in general, but I have been anxious in relationships also. And I was anxious in that relationship. Ke, I'm not with that person. So what are they doing? Like when they're not texting me or letting me know, so tabhi I was very just insecure.
Insecure.
And I feel like in your early 20s, you're more bothered about if you're dating somebody, you're very bothered about their ex. You know, like how their
Hmm.
ex looked, and do I look the same or close, or am I pretty
Prettier.
enough or not? And that I don't think happens now. Like I'm not bothered about somebody's past. I feel like if they've dealt with it and it's done, it's done. I don't have when you're in your early 20s, you have that chull to be stalkery and like go check their profile all the time and see what that girl is doing. Do they talk like kuch hai abhi bhi
Hmm.
unka? Are they
Yeah.
in touch with each other? So I had a lot of that in my early 20s, and now I don't think I
Don't
do.
have-
You know,
yeah.
but
Like I don't.
this, what you just said, na, that in that relationship you were anxious. A lot of times, na, our true attachment style doesn't come like to our attention until we are in a healthy relationship. In certain relationships where you are so
Yeah.
not feeling safe or loved, na, I
You
feel
are
even
triggered.
avoidant people behave anxiously. It just
Yeah.
depends on the
The person.
situations and the person,
Yeah.
how the person is making you feel. If you're comfortable, then your true attachment style that you've developed because of your childhood experiences will come to, you know, light. But other than that, I don't think the true attachment style,
Comes out.
like I remember for some very small fling type college relationship that I had, that I wanted a relationship out of, I became avoidant because I thought that behaving that way, or you know, like this is what
Staying
works,
distant might
this
work.
is what is cool, because the person makes you feel that way, which in turn then makes me more anxious.
Yeah.
And then I came to know that, you know, this is not it, but sometimes the person brings out that side of you.
Yeah, I think your partner plays a very important role, like you said, in
Hmm.
your full behavioral pattern. Like as much as you say that you should not let your partner influence your moods,
Hmm.
it does to an extent. I feel
Yeah.
it does.
It's very difficult
Yeah,
to
you can
avoid
make
it.
peace and understand how to grow through it, but it does.
Hmm. I think in your early 20s, you're very unsure of who you are as a person, for one. Like you're still discovering your own self, your own likes and
Don't have an
dislikes.
identity.
Your partner is doing the same because they are probably the same age as you. And you're in general like very easily insecure about things. If it's another person, another girl, for example, his ex, you'll be very easily insecure, even if, because at that age it's so easy to think that this anybody else is better than me.
Yeah.
Like you're in that very uh delicate, I think, situation. So then it's, I think, better not to take things so seriously. It's easier said, of course,
Yeah.
but it's very difficult to do when you're in that.
It's also peer pressure, no?
Yeah.
Like when you're younger, like that didn't ever hit me, but I had a few friends who had the same problem. Because everybody was dating, there was this one friend who was not dating, and she always felt that, even I want to know what it is to like, what it is like to have a guy in my life. So that is there, and uske wajah se maybe she made some wrong choices just because I want to feel, because that must be our first guy in her life.
Yeah.
So this is what happens when in your 30s, I think, or in your late 20s, I think you are more aligned with someone who has same life goals, same dreams, rather than just being on the same page right now. Like just being on the same page right now will not lead to a healthy relationship, but same life goals and same dreams can lead to a healthy relationship.
Because you've been with so many people and you get an insight to
हाँ,
yourself कि
like
तुम
in
कैसे
college
हो.
में क्या, you like badminton, I like badminton,
Let's
कि
play
he's
and-
so good at badminton, यार, I'm saying badminton because I like
He's
badminton.
he's the head captain.
Head
He's a TA
captain.
I don't know college में क्या बोलते हैं.
हाँ,
She wears high heels, I wear sneakers.
She's cheer
We've
captain. I'm on the
really
bleachers.
influenced you all, huh? I'm liking it. You want a band?
Yeah, you all didn't give na in the concert. रखा है अपने पास.
You made बहुत मेहनत से यार.
So I have a question for y'all. Since y'all are older and wiser in love also, and we run to y'all for advices, what did y'all learn in love the hard way? Like something, a harsh reality of love that y'all came to know that what everybody makes it look like it's so rosy. एक चीज that y'all learned is not so rosy at all, and it's a harsh reality.
I think if there will be days, matlab when you're dating somebody, or maybe it applies for marriage also, I don't know. But when you're dating somebody, you will not think that there will be days that I might not like this person.
I had the same answer.
Yeah.
But there are days where you'll be like, just shut up. Like you just, there are some days that the person can annoy you. There are some days that you'll be like, I don't wanna, like I'm so fed up. And some days you might be fighting. So not all days actually are rosy and
Yeah.
all lovey-dovey. And it's not like when you start dating somebody, it's always just going to be hugs and kisses and cuddles and all of that. And I think another thing would be that it's, however your relationship is formed or you come together, it is a very, very big bonus if you both are best friends.
Hmm.
Like very good friends and you can share things with each other. Like apart from being like romantically with each other, if you can like have fun with each other and
Yeah,
just be friends also, that's also a very
that
big,
goes a long
yeah.
प्यार
way.
दोस्ती है.
Anjali.
Yeah.
You?
Um, Actually, my answer was the first one that you said. But there's one thing that I feel is, for me, I sometimes feel I am right in the relationship until and unless I get the perspective of my partner
Hmm.
telling me and explaining me the situation. And then I realize that, oh, I was wrong here. So sometimes when you think that you are right, it's not always like that. You
Hmm.
can be wrong as
Yeah.
well. So apologize and move on. Very
Yeah.
important.
I want to add to that, like my thought that I think in relationships, empathy is something which plays the most important role to be able to
Yeah.
be in their shoes and see the situation.
Yeah.
That I think empathy is something we all need to work on. If we have
Hmm.
that, then relationships can go much more smoother
Hmm.
than they already go.
Yeah.
Khushi, what about you?
Question was not asked to me, but I
Yeah,
still have
your thoughts on this.
something to say, that it circles back to what you want in a person. And if you are aligned with their, like your personalities are also aligned. Because many a times I'll also be told that, oh, maybe I'm a difficult person to deal with. Or, people put that thought in your head. You don't come
Yeah.
into the world with the thought that, oh, maybe I'm difficult to be in a relationship with.
Hmm.
But what I want now is someone who doesn't think it's difficult to deal with you. Even if it is
Hmm.
difficult, it should be easy for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like that is what I know I want now, and what I know I don't want is Vesa.
Yeah.
And one more last thing that I'll say is an advice that Honey had given me that is somehow stuck
What
in
have
my
you-
head.
I don't know.
That is somehow stuck in my head since a very long time. That is, a person loving you is something else, and it's always good. And a person loving you with their whole heart is good. But what you need is someone who loves you the way you want to be loved.
Yeah.
Like just loving you in the broad sense is not enough if they're not listening to your wants and needs, and they don't love you the way that you're asking to be loved.
Yeah. This is actually very true that I love you, but you want to be loved in a different way. So you learn your partner's love
Love
language
language
Yeah.
and
and
love them that way.
Like if I'm not feeling the love, then where is all this love
Well,
going? Like you need to love me the way that I'm asking or I'm
asking you to love.
needing to be loved.
need to channel
Hmm.
it. बस ऐसा love नहीं
Yeah,
करना
so
है.
that's what
हाँ.
Aim
I
it to
know
reach.
I want now.
Like a partner making changes for you is the best
Yeah.
form of love
Mhm.
language.
Yeah, you also make, they also make. I think both should do it for each other in
Yeah.
ways that it doesn't change your personal composition also. Like you turn into a completely
Yeah.
different
Yeah,
person.
no.
नहीं,
Hmm.
but yeah, meet beach में.
Yeah. And one thing for all the young girls and boys out there, I think the shitty dates and the shitty men and women you've met, I think it will all be worth it in your 30s or whenever
Yeah.
possible.
Itna late.
Yeah,
In your
she's like, it'll
30s.
be only worth
My
it in
God, it'll
30s.
take
10 साल
me
है.
more 7,
But it
8
will be
years
worth
to
it.
reach.
Yeah, so let's conclude this episode
Yeah.
on this.
I think we've given a lot of
Lot of
Yeah.
Baba.
advice. If you want to take it, I think fine. But this is our take on basically what our expectations were in our 20s. And I feel like a lot of people right now, and especially people that watch our videos, are also very, very young. They're probably teenagers still or in their early 20s, like just getting into their 20s. So I hope this was like insightful in some way and like helps
Yeah.
you navigate your relationships and just helps you deal with your partner and like to understand yourself as well, because we are like very different personalities
Yeah.
among like four of us also, and we've shared like our different experiences. So
Okay.
Bye.